Alright guys, the Super Tenere is running and no engine light, temperature is 199 and no error 13. So I have had this bike that I've been working on forever. I was looking for that code 13, chasing everything. The tank is off, the plastic is off, that side looks like it exploded. I kind of even went as far as to look at the ECU. So I had code 13 and I could not figure out what the hell it was. I bought a sensor off of Amazon, tried it out, and the bike would not even start. It looked exactly like the sensor. Let me see. Well, the new sensor is in there. So here's the fix for it. The fix is this. That's right. It's a Yamaha sensor, pressure sensor. This thing was $170. I got two generic sensors on Amazon. I tried them both and the bike would not even start. I plugged this in. It took weeks to get. I plugged it in and no issues. It started up. So it turns out it was just a bad sensor on the bike. It just went bad for some reason. But now the bike idles fine. Everything is fine. With the code 13, it's very interesting because it could be the wires. So I took everything apart to look for the wires and there's nothing chewed up. This bike sat outside, which is kind of crazy because it's an expensive bike, but people just leave it outside. And as you guys know, this is my regret bike. I love the Super Tenere. I fit in it extremely well. So I was extremely disappointed to find that error code and the bike kind of stalling and starting when I was doing food delivery. And the solution is this, an extremely expensive sensor. And you have to make sure that you get a Yamaha sensor instead of generic ones because apparently the wattage that the battery uses is different. So it doesn't work on any other bike. I believe actually this is on other bikes like the FJ09s and stuff, but you have to get the Yamaha one. So that's it guys. I just wanted to do a little bit of a follow-up on the Yamaha Super Tenere.